Compact tractor owners, go ahead and take 5. 5 inches in diameter, that is, with the all-new Wallenstein BX52. The new 5-inch chipper for compact tractors, 18 to 50 horsepower. Now with 25% greater chipping capacity, the BX52 finishes the job others can't get started. Give them something to chew about while you power through with professional grade features on both the self-feed and hydraulic feed models. The BX52 is not only a 5-inch chipper. With its extra wide 5x10-inch slab-style opening, the BX52 easily accepts large and bulky branches. Influenced by Wallenstein's larger commercial models, the BX52R features a larger hydraulic feed hopper, available IntelliFeed and global safety specifications. The dual hydraulic rollers maximize grip when chipping, but release tension for easy starting of large, flat-faced logs. Available on the BX52RI is Wallenstein's electronic control system, IntelliFeed, which continuously matches feed speed to rotor RPM for fewer stops. Wallenstein also improved the rotor's inertia, and thus chipping force, by increasing the rotor's thickness to 5/8 solid steel, weighing 125 pounds. Behind the knives is Wallenstein's exclusive dual-blade twig breaker that virtually eliminates clogging. Additionally, the BX52 introduces many new user-friendly features for a better experience. The 2-handle swivel exit chute is now easier to pivot into the right position. Setting up the chipper to proper PTO height is now possible with the adjustable base, and the folding hopper on the BX52S keeps it compact for travel and storage. As if the new and improved BX52 wasn't already enough, Wallenstein products are now backed by the only 5-year warranty in the industry. The Wallenstein 5-year warranty is proof of our made-in-Canada reputation for quality. Take a bigger bite with the Wallenstein BX52 5-inch chipper for compact tractors. Contact Wallenstein at 1-877-695-9283 or find your local dealer at www.embmfg.com. Wallenstein BX52. Take 5.